Hello everyone. On this video, we are going to be going through the process of scheduling an appointment on Handshake. This video is in particular for Nursing 100T students. So what we're going to do is walk through the process of logging on to Handshake and also registering for an appointment with our office. So all you gotta do is go up here to the top, type in murraystate.joinhandshake.com. You don't have to put the login part here, just this part right here is all you need. So just make sure you plug that in up there. You'll be taken to the screen here where it says Murray State University sign on. All you do is click that, and you're going to be taken to MyGate. So all you do at that point is log in with your MyGate credentials. All right. So once you have done that, you're going to land on the Handshake homepage. So this is what it looks like. There's lots of different tabs and everything like that. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about navigating Handshake fully, there is another video posted on our YouTube channel about that. So it's called Navigating Handshake. But on today's video, we're going to focus primarily on scheduling an appointment with our office. So all you need to do is come up here to the right-hand corner where you see the Career Center button. Go ahead and click that. And it's going to take you to our career services little page for Handshake. So you'll see three little things down here: appointments, resources, surveys. Just click on that first one called appointments. Once you click that, you'll be taken to this page where you see schedule a new appointment. So all you gotta do is click that button right there. Let's go ahead and click that. It's going to bring up a whole list of different appointment types. And of course, anytime you're wanting to schedule an appointment at our office, this is what you do. We have a whole list of different appointments you can select. But for Nursing 100T, so if you're just wanting to meet with maybe your success seminar coach, or maybe you're wanting to meet for like the nursing interview assignment, or if you just want to kind of meet up and talk or anything like that, feel free. Come through here. You'll see Nursing 100T meeting. So go ahead and select that option. And what you'll want to do is go ahead and find what day you want. So say you want to do Friday. Go ahead and click Friday. You're going to see a list of your success seminar coaches. Right now, you see my name, Travis Plunkett's in here. Matt Purdy and Colleen will also be in this list as well a little later on. But go ahead and whatever time works best for you, you can go through here and look at that. And just say maybe you want to meet at 2 o'clock on Friday. Go ahead and click that one right there. There are three options we have available for appointments this semester, and that is phone call, video call via Zoom, or email. So whatever your preference is here, go ahead and do that. I'm going to do video call Zoom for this one. And then what do you need help with? So this is just why you want to meet with us. So maybe I need to meet to discuss my class assignment. So that's just kind of a generic thing. Just put whatever you want here just to give us an idea of why do you want to meet with us, and that way we can better prepare for our meeting. So just make sure you throw something in there. Just go ahead and hit that request button right there. And what that'll do is that'll ping the appointment over to me or whoever that is, whether that's Matt or Colleen. And we'll get that appointment. We'll approve it. We'll probably reach out to you just to kind of check up on you and everything, and just go over some meeting details. But that's just how you do it right there. Like I said, most of our meetings are going to be virtual via Zoom. So what you'll see down here, you'll see Travis' virtual office. So I have Zoom links to connect with me. And then it'll also send you out an email from Handshake once that appointment's approved, and it'll also have those links as well. But that is kind of an overview of how to schedule an appointment with our office for Nursing 100T students. If you have any questions or you need any help at all, feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help out. I'll throw up that contact information right here on the screen. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope it was very helpful to you, and have a great day.